Welcome to ZayRoboCartoon, where learning is fun and every smile counts.
System boot initiated. All systems online. System reboot complete. Date confirmed. Wait. How long was I offline? Last memory file, 4 months ago. That is 2,800,180,000 seconds of lost data. How long was I offline? Last memory file, 4 months ago. That is 2,800,180,000 seconds of lost data. I missed so much! This is a crisis! Priority 1, catch up! Immediately!
Processing new language patterns.
Greetings! I would like to confirm, is something currently bussing? I have also prepared alternatives. Is it sleigh? Is it low-key fire? Is it no cap on the drip? Noted. Human language is still evolving at an alarming rate.
Here you are, the monster skewer. Enjoy!
Sugar content, 412% of recommended daily intake. Fat content, critical. Artificial color, 17. Structural integrity of this object, questionable. It is, however, extremely good.
Zay! Oh my dude, you are B-Ake! Where have you been?
I have been performing an extended offline rest cycle. 4 months, I prefer the term suspended in low-power standby mode. It is more accurate. Okay, I have so much to tell you. Do you know what you missed? Are you okay? You look like you're buffering. I'm buffering. Please wait 3 to 5 business minutes. Catch-up sequence complete. I am now updated. You are so weird, man. Thank you. I have worked hard to achieve this.